everyone, this is RooTrimmer. Welcome back to our channel. Plug trees, the ultimate seed starting trees for beginners. Plug trees, the seed starting game changer. Why plug trees are the best seed starting method for beginners? Starting seeds can be intimidating for beginners, but plug trees make the process simple, efficient, and successful. Here's why they are the best seed starting method for those new to gardening. The first one is easy to use and organized. Plug trees provide a neat, organized way to start multiple seeds at once. Each seal gives a dedicated space for seeds to grow, preventing overcrowding and reducing transplant shock when moving seedlings to larger containers or the garden. Improved the germination rates. With individual cells, plug trees created an ideal environment for each seed, helping them sprout evenly. Many trees come with drainage holes to prevent overwatering. That is a common mistake for beginners. Pairing the plug trees with a humidity dome can also maintain the moisture level, further boosting germination success. For example, like this one. Help the root development. Unlike traditional seed starting methods, plug trees encourage strong, independent root system. The structured space prevents root from tangling with neighboring plants, making the transplant easier and reducing transplant shock. Here are 4 seeds I planted last week. You can see that they have grown very tall. Let's see how their root systems are. I use this little shovel to take these little seedlings out. Very gentle. Alright, gently to loosen the mix inside of the cells. Alright, here we got it. Oh, let's have a look. Oh, oops. This type of seedlings have a very good, very strong root system. There are about 1, 2, 3, 4. There are about 10 to 15 roots. With the roots are really healthy and strong inside of this little cells. Alright, if you want to make your different seedlings grow better in March, choose the right plug trees. Different types of plug trees have their own features like insides, material, or others. Based on cell size and account, this one is 72 cell trees. It has medium-sized cells ideal for vegetables, herbs, and flowers. Commonly used for standard seed starting. This type of 72 cell trees is about 1.8 inches deep, and another one is a little bit deeper. It has 2.4 inches deep cell. These seedling trees are the most widely used and optimal size for starting different needs and seeds and plants like vegetables, flowers, herbs, fruits, and so on. Tomatoes, peppers, eggplants, broccoli are recommended to use with these 72 cell trees because these plants need more root space before transplanting. Medium-sized cells support strong root development. The next one is 128 cell trees. Smaller cells great for quick growing crops like lettuce and basil, perfect for commercial growers. This type of 128 cell trees are a little bit shallow. The depth of the cell is about 1.9 inches. Leafy greens and herbs like lettuce, basil, spinach are recommended to use 128 cell trees because these plants have small seeds and grow quickly. Smaller cells allow for high density planting and efficient space use. Flowers like sunflowers are better to grow in 128 to 200 cell trees because many flowers have small seeds and can be started in compact cells before being transplanted into larger pots or garden beds. Last one is 32 cell trees. It is shaped like an ice cream cone. Bigger cells for planting with larger root system, such as tomatoes, peppers, and trees. The cell is really deep. It is the deepest one among those cell trees. It is like this one. We can see they are really different. It is about 4.4 inches, ideal for seedlings that has long roots. There are guide channels at the top so that the water reaches each cell. Root crops like onions, leeks, carrots, beets are recommended to grow with trees with deep pluck trees because root crops require deeper cells to establish a strong root system and minimize the transplant shock. Large plants and trees like pumpkin, squash, melon trees are also better to grow in 32 cell trees because the plants need ample space to grow, so larger and deep cells are ideal for strong transplanting. Pluck trees are an excellent choice for seed starting, especially for beginners. Here is why. The first one is efficient germination. Pluck trees create a controlled environment, ensuring better moisture retention and faster germination. The healthy root development. The individual cells promote a strong, well-formed root system, reducing transplanting shock, space-saving, organized. Compact and structured pluck trees allowed for organized storing. They are ideal for the gardeners who have limited space. Prevent overcrowding. Each seed gets in their own space, minimizing competition for nutrients and reducing their risk of disease. Easy transplanting. Seedlings can be transplanted with minimal root disturbance, ensuring a higher survival rates. Perfect for vegetables, flowers, and herbs. Pluck trees simplify seed starting and give your plants the best start. Alright, here's today's share. If you are interested in RooTrimmer's pluck tree, you can find the Amazon link below. If you have any questions about the pluck trees, leave your comments. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. We will add more gardening products every week. See you next week.